Let's start with the new chapter, Hospitality Management. What is the significance of hospitality management? With the globalization, people travel from one place to another for many reasons. Tourists travel for their business purpose, study, pilgrims, vacations, photography, etc. Hence, the hospitality industry has grown to provide home away from home. Facets of hospitality industries. Let's see: tourism management, hotel management, event management, convention management, and resort management. What is actually hospitality? It is the relation between host and the guest. It is the act of being hospitable, including friendly, generous reception of guests. Different hospitality services or establishments: hotels, motels, lodge and resorts. Hotels, commercial establishments offering lodging, meals, etc. to the guest. Motels provide services like hotels and also parking facility directly outside the room. Hence, they are roadside hotels for motorists. Lodge, rented accommodation for sleeping purpose. They may or may not offer food and other services. Resort, known for leisure attraction, it offers broad range of sports facility and leisure activities. Let's see what is guest cycle. The cycle which starts even before the arrival of guest into the hotels is called guest cycle. It consists of pre-arrival activities done before the arrival of the guest, like quoting the rates, reserving the rooms. Arrival stage, when the guest arrives and registers are filled with their information. This is also called check-in. Occupancy, providing various services as per guest requirements, including security of guest. Guest satisfaction is the main focus during this period. Departure, final stage of guest cycle where the guest is ready to leave or check out of accommodation. Various departments of hospitality management. Let's study one by one. Very first is front office. The guest arrives at the front office and come in contact with the staff of hospitality industry. Front office consists of front office manager who manages the lobby, transport activities, schedule the shifts, arrival of VIPs, coordinate with housekeeping and other departments. Next, receptionist assigns the room to guests and provides them necessary information. Cashier, who maintains the bills and receives the payment. Telephone operator provides information and communicates with visitors. Bellboy, responsible for shifting the baggage of guests within the and outside the room. Bell captain organizes and controls the duty of bellboys in the office and supervises baggage movement. Doorman welcomes guests upon the arrival and escorts them. Our next department is housekeeping department. It is responsible for providing healthy environment by ensuring cleanliness, high standards of hygiene and aesthetics for entire establishment. Main functions: cleaning of public areas and guest rooms, exchange of various linen and uniforms, maintenance of garden and flower arrangement inside, coordination with other departments like front office, restaurant, etc. Pest control is one of the main responsibility of this department. Various sections of housekeeping departments. It consists of executive housekeeper who manages various functions of department through the use of manpower, time and material. It consists of interior decorators and assistant housekeepers. Assistant housekeepers prepare duty schedule and check the functioning of workers. It also have house control desk supervisor who helps in getting the room vacated and cleaned it in 24 hours. Assistant housekeepers also consist of floor supervisors, public area supervisors, florist, uniform supervisors. Food and beverage department, another department. Now this consists basically of kitchen, because this is the department which is responsible for the sale of food and beverage. Department involves kitchen, banquets, restaurant, room service, bars, coffee shops, etc. So it consists of kitchen, the place where the food is prepared. Kitchen have independent sections like butchery, bakery, confectionery, vegetable preparation, soup sections, etc. It consists of executive chef, who is the head of the kitchen, under whom deputy chef is there, who supervises the other sections, under whom cooks are there. Kitchen stewarding is concerned with storage, maintenance, cleanliness, and issuing of cutlery. Restaurant. Commercial facilities that provides the food and beverage to the customers. It is equipped with dining tables, chairs, and other required furnitures. It consists of restaurant manager, head washer, steward who serves the food, and assistant waiter. Last department consists of support service department is there. This is the department which provides support to overall management. It is also called back office. It includes finances, accounts, engineering, HR department, sales and marketing. Now see, the management function of a whole hotel consists of planning, how to bring a guest, how to attract the guest, organizing the various departments. These departments are going to coordinate with each other. There are managers who are going to direct each and every person according to the skills. They control their activities and evaluate the failures and the successes. With this, we have finished the chapter. Take good care of yourself. We are going to meet in the next chapter.